At the dawn of the internet, the problem solvers went to work. Companies like PayPal and Amazon were founded that fundamentally changed how human life was conducted on this planet. People were taking risks, were making mistakes, often didn't quite know what they were doing, but most of all, they were solving major problems. Then things began to stabilize as big players emerged to dominate first search and then social media. These companies immediately set out to create moats around their sources of profit. Within organizations, the process of technological innovation was gradually turned into a set of professional positions, and hierarchies formed. Often, this meant that the experienced and stable players were favored over the explorers and the risk takers. A divide appeared between the tribes of the coders and of the business people, with the coders adopting the religion of agile and the business people adopting the religion of checks and balances. In many organizations, hierarchies began to form in which the path to success was no longer defined by solving the fundamental problems faced by the organization, but instead by following the protocols established by the hierarchy. To rise up in an organization via the technical ladder, one needed to invest years of acquiring specialized skills, knowing things like buffer cache optimization issues in Oracle Database 18c. At the end of this journey into arcane technical trivia, many technical employees transitioned to the business side of the organization, never to return to the technical group. Rarely did anyone from the business side jump to the technical side. There was little room for the guy who just learned to code to solve a major problem in his dorm room. Specialized expertise was everything. This was the state of affairs until 2022, when OpenAI stunned the world by releasing generative image processing and large language models within the same year. Those who adopted AI early found it to be the serum that turns regular people into Captain America. But just like any serum that threatens a hierarchy, getting access to it requires pushing past a cloud of confusion put out by the establishment, partly because the establishment simply can't bring itself to acknowledge that a new order has risen. You've likely heard these objections from the establishment. Number one, AI is dangerous. Or, you'll create a huge security hole if you use it and you don't know what you're doing. Number two, you need an advanced degree to use AI effectively. Number three, AI is not that useful for coding. Number four, you shouldn't build AI yourself. Just pay for another $20 a month AI tool. Now, let me tell you the truth. Number one, AI is dangerous, but so are cars and hunting expeditions. If you know the pitfalls, you can avoid them. Number two, you don't need any advanced degree if you understand the main AI archetypes beneath most AI tools. Actually, you can use it quite effectively. Number three, if you know the tricks to coding with AI, you'll find you can easily get 2 to 10 times productivity increases. More importantly, you can write quality code in areas where you weren't previously an expert. Number four, very few tools do exactly what you want or plug into your business processes perfectly. Instead, you should learn to work with the underlying AI tools, which give you flexibility to solve problems in the optimal way. Your organization is crying out for someone to rise up and solve its unsolvable problems. Or if you're an entrepreneur, the world needs you to build your business in months instead of years. So here are the two most fundamental AI skills. Number one, how to write effective traditional code with AI, i.e., you can now automate things without having a programming background. Number 2, how to add AI to the existing processes in your organization, allowing you to solve previously unsolvable problems. My goal at MakeTheJump.ai is to help you acquire that set of AI skills as fast as humanly possible. Now, if you're ready to get going today, there's a free guide right below this video that will walk you through the exact steps that you can take to figure out where to start an AI implementation in your organization. I'm excited to go on this journey with you.